Hello boys and girls, I want to show you a project I've been working on for a few weeks now. It's called the SUDDEN 40 meter single sideband transceiver. It's designed by Pete Juliano, N6QW. Now Pete lives in California, where I've no doubt the sun is shining and the girls are laid out on the beach in their tiny bikinis sunning themselves. Whereas I'm stuck here in South Yorkshire, where the sun definitely is not shining. It's wet, it's windy and it's cold. But anyway, there you go. I built this transceiver into an old ammunition tin, there it is. The thing about ammunition tins, when the top is on, they're waterproof because you don't want to get your bullets wet. There's probably some EU directive that says you're not allowed to shoot people with wet bullets because it infringes the human rights. Anyway, I'm getting carried away now. Let's have a look at it. Take the top off. Take the top off. Oh, there's the gasket there that makes it waterproof. Get rid of that. And put some power on. Right, here it is. Let's have a look. Zoom in. We've got main tuning dial, power in, volume, upper and lower sideband. Put some juice on it. Make it look a bit more interesting. Here we go. Now then, look at that. Lovely colour display. So we've got volume, upper and lower sideband, two VFOs, A and B, press to talk. This bit is not part of Pete's original design. This is a antenna matcher and forward and reflected power measurement, relative forward and reflective power. Not very good this camera, is it? If I can zoom in. So there's the tuning, VFO A, B, upper sideband, lower sideband, and there is an S-meter bar graph that runs along here that gives me an indication of forward and reflected power. So that's it. That's what I've been spending my time doing. Earphones, microphone. There's no loudspeaker built in because I already intended for it to use headphones with a boom microphone. That's about it. We'll pull it out of its can and I might have to just stop recording until I get it out of its tin because it is a good fit. I might struggle. Right then, here it is, out of its tin. Oops. Let's have a look what we've got. It's somewhere down there is the Arduino that makes it all happen. And I can only imagine how many hours or days Pete spent writing the code to make all this work. And then he makes it freely available to us lesser mortals who are not bright enough to write our own code. Let's put a bit of power on it again. Have a look at this. That's not it, is it? Where's my power lead gone? Not that one. I've lost my power lead. Here it is. Talk amongst yourselves while I sort myself out. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. Antenna matcher at that end. Aerial socket. Switch to switch between high and low impedance antennas. Set for setting the full scale deflection on the S meter for forward power, and then you can switch to reverse power. What's that one? Oh, that's PTT. Down is PTT. Up is a tune facility that injects almost a 1 kHz tone into the microphone circuit. Gives you 10 seconds to tune up. 2 VFOs, VFO-A, VFO-B, upper side band and lower side band. SWR bridge, switched inductor there for the antenna matcher. What's that? Oh, meter amplifier, because the output from this bridge is not strong enough to drive the bar graph display. So a meter amplifier, 5 volts and a diode there to prevent the output from going above 5 volts. Audio amplifier, RF amplifier, RF receive amplifier, microphone amplifier, tone shaping circuit. That's the transmit board, pre-driver, driver and PA. PA transistor is bolted onto the aluminium back. There we are. Thermal washer behind it. What else have we got? Oh, that low pass filter. Where's my finger gone? Low pass filter and relays for switching power and antenna changeover. What else can we see? Well, that's the inductor, switched inductor. 9 meg filter down there, and somewhere close to that is there are 2 double balanced mixers which can't see. So there you go. I mean, that's it. Fuse there to protect the in case the PA transistor goes wonky. And it also, remove that fuse, it allows me to set the standing current on the PA. It's nothing to see at the bottom. It's like a bit like a rat's nest really inside, isn't it? But when I'd finished it, I sent a couple of pictures of it to Pete in California, and he said he liked the idea of building it into an ammunition tin because it made it almost bulletproof. I think that was Pete's little joke. But nice job, Pete, nice design, and thanks for watching.